Made it to Cumbria! Welcome to Cumbria. So, after coming up from Lancaster, through Carnforth and Silverdale, actually now in Cumbria. So 2 hours from, well, just under 2 hours from Lancaster, and we're here. Yay! Next border is, I don't know, I think it's Northumberland. Anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've got a tailwind, which you never ever get, and lots of cyclists can vouch for that. But tomorrow I've got wall-to-wall rain for something like 9 hours. So I've gone and booked into YHA Youth Hostel, and hopefully should be able to drive in tent off and some in my clothes. So yeah, so far so good. So this is Crook Tower, where we've come from. So I've driven up from Lancaster to get to here. It just looks epic. Bit of a epic view. Amazing. Oh well, let's set up camp. So, couldn't sleep at the tower, so I found an alternative, which is quite funny, very strange. And so starts a wet day. Morning. Day 2. Just come up from Crook. Tried to sleep at the tower, but having none of it. It was a bit of a windy one, so it was a case of finding somewhere to sleep. So, so I was going to sleep in a church doorway, which is nice and wide. It was great. Oh, trail. But tried a door, and the door was open. So, you know what, I'm best on the road here. Geese, so I had all of the church to himself, so amazing. Slept on a pew, as you do, and great night's sleep. That's a nice donation though. As you can see today, after all that glorious sunshine, we've got Lake District rain, and it looks a bit persistent, so there might be quite a few coffee shops. Anyway, let's see where we get to. Heading towards Ambleside. Just got a ferry across to Hawkshead and go northbound. Whee! Lovely road this is, so smooth. Anyway, see you later. So, one pointer down, and now off to Ray Castle. Not Roy Castle, Ray Castle. Bah! Got a well-earned coffee and bacon butty, methinks. Bah! It's been a a little bit wet all day. Wow, like this. Meh. Scottish mate has come to the Lake District. Ugh. Oh well, see you later. Go and have a coffee. Ooh. Well, on the way to Ambleside. Puddles. Ah! Just stopped at Ray Castle for an obligatory coffee, and going to see if we can get some breakfast or something in Ambleside. Woo! Oh, I don't like these puddles. Anyway. Oh, wet foot. Anyway, you only get wet once. But got to love this trail. What's going on? Oh. I see. So, got that much rain that got it dripping into my eyes and into my glasses. Can't see a thing. Oh, cows on the track. Come on. Moo. Moo. Coming through. Moo. Come on. Hey, hey. Come on. Stand off. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on. Go. 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 Come on, keep going. Can't get past. There you go, back under there. Hello, heifer. Don't walk onto the path, you daft sod. Bugger off. Thank you, coming through. Last one. More people are killed by cows every year than there are sharks. Yeah, I'm coming through. Bugger off. Yeah, a bit lethal. Come on. 2.5 ton of stupid meat ramming into you, dear. Anyway, let's go to Ambleside. Back again. Just had breakfast at Ambleside. Picked up some tubes again after the puncture from Gilly Cycles. Really nice, just the best shop ever. Love that shop. Day 3, downhill. Yee! Oh god. So, whoa! So, this is what came up last night, trying to get to the youth hostel, because it was so windy. Woo! I wasn't going to put a tent up, so pre-booked it, and wow, what a great night's sleep. So this is a gentleman I just met on the road called Hans Peter, and he's travelling. Where are you travelling?
I started my trip from Austria. I'm from Western Austria near the Lake Constance.
Yeah.
started there and cycling up through Germany and Netherlands, and from there took the ferry to Newcastle, and then going forward up to Orkney, across the Highlands, up to Ullapool, and from there take the ferry to the Outer Hebrides to Lewis.
No way.
And then a lot of headwind down to Bala. And then I'm hopping over the Inner Hebrides to Troon, and now I'm on the way south to Brighton, take the ferry to Dip. And from Dip the cycle home another 1,000 kilometers.
Bloody hell. So how many miles is it in total?
I think in total miles it's about 2,500.
Wow. And how long is it going to take you?
3 months.
Brilliant. Excellent. That's amazing. Nice to meet you.
But, okay. It was fun to meet you.
Well, still raining. I'm now on the coast to coast. 20 miles from Carlisle. I'm gonna say Glasgow then. Carlisle. So gonna try and maybe stay outside of Carlisle. Gonna go into the city on a Saturday night, especially in the north. West with Bedlam, and then try and go up to, or get through Carlisle today and get up towards the borders, and crack on. So it was supposed to be sunny back now, but obviously lately in May I had other ideas, so let's see what happens. I've soaked through. I tried to get water before upstream, slipped and put my foot right in it. Thank God for waterproof socks, which are wet on the outside and on the inside. So feet are warm, arms are warm, everyone's warm. So yeah, keep on cracking on, see where I get to. Alright, I might see you a bit later. Afternoon. Oh, cafe. Woohoo! Let's have some of this. Right then, 1,000 foot up and it's still raining. Anyway, oh good, keep smiling, as that bloke on YouTube says, keep smiling. Whoa, get the brakes. Yeah, still working. Whoop, 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 whoop. No bud, paid for that one. I hope it's dry tomorrow. I think we deserved a dry day. Oh well. Oh, hello. Still going downhill. Happy days. Biggest downhill I've had since this morning. Seems like I've been going up all the time. That was a wet trip. Just going back now. Got there a bit early, so I decided not to camp tonight and get back a day early. But amazing, great time, but wet, but still amazing. Until next time, bye.